boys and girls. I hope you had a great start to your week yesterday. Today we're going to go over what you're going to be working on today at home. And then I also am going to attach another YouTube video just for you guys, just an extra fun thing for you. Okay, so today you're going to be completing your worksheets. And just like yesterday where you made a bubble map about living things, today you're going to make one about non-living things. Your daily reading activities and math activities, Spanish and Mandarin, and then getting outside to get some fresh air and exercise. Today, you're going to be doing some writing. Yesterday, I posted a video about using circle maps to help with writing. And although I did not make a video with a circle map about my favorite toy is, I all know you know how to do it. So I want you to really think hard about what is your favorite toy. And I want you to tell me why. Okay, so we already have right here, my favorite toy is blank because, and then tell me why that's your favorite. I can't wait to see what you write about. We also have rhyming words with short A. Okay, so that means that the middle sound in all these words is going to, or the middle sound in all these words is going to be a. So right here we have a picture of a cat. So we have to find two words that rhyme with cat. A couple weeks ago, I posted a video about rhyming and I told you how the last two sounds, at least the last two sounds, need to be the same for the word to rhyme. So in cat, we have k, at. That means the last two letters or sounds that we hear, these words down here, for it to rhyme, need to be at. So right here we have b, at. This is a word that would rhyme with cat. This word is bat. So you would either cut it out and glue it here, or you could just write the word. It's up to you. But we have cat, bat, and then our other word would be hat. And I'd write hat or glue hat right here. And then there's a challenge. I want you to each come up with one more rhyming word. So I have cat, bat, hat. And then I would add at, rat. Okay? And then this would be complete. We'd have 4 rhyming words. And just to remind you what these pictures are, this is a bag, fan, map, and jam. Okay, just to remember what those words are. Okay, today for math, we have vertical addition with 5s. Now, with this one, I really want you guys to try to get fluent with adding with 5s. You're going to get to where some of them have more than you have to what's called regroup, where you add a 10. Because 5 plus 8 is going to equal more than 10. So if you try to add that on your fingers, it won't work because you have 5 and then 5. You wouldn't be able to add that. So if you're adding it on your fingers, you would only put up the 8. So you'd have 8 fingers, and then you'd start counting from 5. So you'd say 5 with your mouth and then count on there. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And our answer would be 13. That way of adding is called counting on. When we don't have enough fingers or manipulatives in front of us, we can do that where we add on. We say one number and we count the rest, okay? And then for science today, you have a non-living things bubble map. Yesterday, you made a bubble about living things. Now, you can either write or draw a picture of non-living things, or you can do a mix. Maybe you draw a picture here and write the word here. I have an example of a non-living thing. I have my remote. My remote cannot breathe. It doesn't grow. So this would be non-living. So I could draw a picture of my remote here, or I could write remote. And then you're also going to add one more sentence about non-living things on the bottom. This either can be an example like a remote is non-living, or it could be a cool fact that you've learned about non-living things. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Thank you.